Hello beautiful people, you're welcome back to my channel, and if this is your first time here, you're also very much welcome. I'm back again with another hair video showing you how I make my deep conditioner. The ingredient I'll be using is aloe vera gel, which I already have in my measuring cup. If you want to see how I got my aloe vera gel, I have a video of how I made my leave-in conditioner. I showed the process of getting the aloe vera gel itself, so if you want to check that out, it's in the description box. So I'll be using the aloe vera gel, banana, avocado, yogurt, egg, honey, and some essential oils. I'll be using peppermint oil and tea tree oil. Here are some benefits of deep conditioning. So deep conditioning helps to prevent hair damage by improving the texture of your hair, and it also promotes elasticity, which reduces breakage, and most importantly, it nourishes the hair and moisturizes your hair. It is important you deep condition your hair at least once a month, and if your hair is experiencing damage, then I would advise you do this every 2 weeks. What I am doing is adding everything to my cup, and then I'll go ahead and blend it. I won't be adding the essential oil until after I've blended the mix. When it comes to the measurement, I would advise you use your discretion according to how full and long your hair is. This mix is for myself and my daughter. My hair isn't very long, I would say it is average height and then or length. And my daughter's hair as well isn't so long, so this mix is more than enough for the both of us. But if your hair is really long, then you probably would need more egg, more avocado, and probably more banana. After adding all my ingredients, it is now time for me to blend it, and I'll be using my hand blender to do that. But you can use any blender of your choice. You just want to make sure that everything is completely blended and it's really smooth. After blending, I will be sieving the deep conditioner using a sieve. You can use any sieve of your choice, or you can use a cheesecloth or whatever it is that you have. But it is advisable to use a sieve that has got tiny holes. That way the particles from the banana or the avocado doesn't penetrate through. This is the particles I am talking about. Imagine that in your hair. It will take forever to take them out. And this is what it looks like after I've sieved the deep conditioner. So it's time for me to add my essential oil. I will be adding about 10 to 15 drops of the tea tree oil and peppermint oil. 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still believe I So this is my hair after taking out a twist out. I've been carrying the twist out for a week, so my hair really needs washing. So today I've decided to deep condition. So I'll show you how I apply the deep conditioner to my hair. I like to section my hair into 4 parts, and this is because it makes it really easy for me to just work with the hair in sections. So after doing that, I will apply the deep conditioner in layers. I'll start from the root of my hair all the way to the tip. I am applying this in layers, so just apply to a part, apply to a part to make sure everywhere is well coated. As I apply the deep conditioner, I also use my fingers to detangle the hair in the process. That way I'm defining my curls, and I'm also helping the conditioner penetrate properly to my hair. This section is done, and I'll repeat the process in the other 3 sections.
생각했는데 추억이 잠시 널 떠올린 거야. Still believe I can control. I miss you, baby. 너무 어려워. 항상 이별은 쉽지 않아.
Once I have finished applying the conditioner to every part of my hair, the next stage is to massage my scalp. So I go back to the way I started. Every section I would put my fingers and just massage my scalp properly, and then move to the next one. As you can see, even while I massaged my scalp, I still use my fingers to detangle the hair, and this is because it makes it really easy when I go to wash my hair. It also helps to define my curls. You can see my curl patterns are already coming out just because I am using my fingers to just work through it. It is defining the curls. I am now repeating the process on the other side. Next is to wrap my hair with cling film, so you can use either a shower cap or any plastic bag. Actually, the only reason you're doing this is just to retain some heat so that all the products will work properly on your hair. So I will be wrapping this and allowing it sit for about 45 minutes to an hour. Sometimes I even exceed this time when I've got nowhere to go to. So yeah, this is the last stage. I just wrap it for 45 minutes to an hour, after which I will be doing my normal wash day routine. I'll be applying my shampoo and conditioner and just style it the way I want, which I won't be showing in this video. If not, the video will be very long. But if you want to see how I do that, just leave me a comment and I will film a video showing you how I do my wash day routine. So basically this is how I deep condition my hair. You can watch to the end of the video to see what my hair looks like after I've washed it. I was showing how I was applying my leave-in conditioner at the end.